If such yellow headlights are used in China, they should be replaced directly. In Pakistan, where resources are scarce, they can only be refurbished. You only need to scrape them with a blade and then polish them. After these steps, the headlights that are about to be scrapped can be restored to their original state. Today, let's take a look at how Pakistan does it. The headlight of this truck is seriously yellowed. When driving at night, the brightness is about the same as that of a candle. The owner of this car wanted to choose a second-hand part in the market, but the master of this repair shop said that it can be refurbished. Considering the fate of today, he only charged 2,000 rupees. Understanding the heating tool, the master can only use a liquefier to heat the edge of the lamp shell. The purpose of this is to melt the sealant on the lamp shell. The master shakes his hand very quickly with the liquefier to heat it, so that the sealant can be heated evenly. After the temperature rises, the master can pull the lamp shell apart with his bare hands, because the sealant has lost most of its sticky particles at this time. In order not to damage the buckle on the lamp shell, the master is also very careful when disassembling it. Basically, it is a non-destructive disassembly. There is some sealant left on the shell and the lampshade. The reflective bowl of this headlight is directly fixed to the lamp shell. The fixing screws need to be removed so that the lamp shell and the reflective bowl are separated. Then it is necessary to deal with the severely yellowed outer lamp shell. The yellowing layer on the surface can only be scraped off with a blade. One layer cannot be handled. The best way is to scrape until the white inside is exposed. There is still a lot of plastic that needs to be scraped off on the surface. The longer it is used, the more serious the yellowing. This is also unavoidable. After that, use soap to clean the inner room. If the ceiling is not good, a lot of dust will run in. Use a swing cloth to brush it, and it will be much cleaner. After washing, use gauze paper to wash the surface. When polishing, you should also pay attention to changing gauze papers of different fineness. Only in this way can the lighting surface be smoother. 0 wood, 800 wood, 2000 wood floor gauze paper is used in order. After the surface is polished, the master used laundry detergent to clean the stains in the gap. The particles of stain still have an impact on polishing. Then the master dripped a few drops of hydrochloric acid on the inside because hydrochloric acid has a good effect on decomposing stains, especially for removing scale. This is why the master has to pickle. The lamp shell can be more transparent after pickling. After finishing, rinse it with clean water. Then the cleaning of the lamp shell is completed. The surface no longer exists. Apply polishing wax on the polishing brush and then polish the surface of the lamp shell. You can see that the lamp shell is obviously much more transparent after polishing. After the master polished for half an hour, the master replaced the small brush head to polish the edge of the inside of the lamp shell. The problem of the details should not be ignored. The lamp shell after polishing looks no different from the new one. Then wipe the decorative plate on the inner layer of the lamp shell. The effect of applying a little wax is completely different. The screw fixes the wiped decorative plate. The yellow lamp shell is much more transparent. In order to continue to use the previous sealant, the edge will continue to be heated. When the two are closed, the sealant can still play a role. Restore all the clips on the lamp housing and tighten them. Fix them with a clip for half an hour and let them cool naturally. Don't forget to fix the screws on the lamp housing. Then the yellow headlights are refurbished and repaired. This effect costs just 2,000 rupees.